In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Adding a clean border can make a document look more polished, highlight important content, or create a consistent frame across pages. We'll walk through a simple workflow using Adobe Acrobat so you can quickly draw, customize, and save a border without altering your original file. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you have multiple versions installed, make sure you're using the desktop Acrobat application. Once your document is open, you'll access the commenting tools that include the shape we need. Go to the Tools menu and choose Comments to open the comment pane. This pane gives you access to annotations and drawing markups. If you don't see it right away, look for a panel on the right side or use the Tools view to locate comments. Opening this pane ensures the drawing tools are visible and ready to use. Within the comment pane, find the Drawing Markup section and select the Rectangle tool. This tool lets you draw a shape that will serve as your border. Think of it as an overlay that sits on top of the page content, so it won't change the underlying text or images in your PDF. Click and drag on the page to draw the border. Start near one corner and drag toward the opposite corner to frame the content. If you need a perfectly square shape, hold the Shift key while dragging. Don't worry about precision on the first try. You can adjust it afterward by dragging the corner or side handles. Zoom in for fine control, especially near the edges, to ensure the border sits right where you want it. Once the border is in place, right-click the rectangle and choose Properties. Here you can set the color to match your design, increase or decrease the line width for a thinner or bolder border, and change the fill color. If you want only an outline, set the fill color to none or fully transparent so the page content remains visible inside the frame. Take a moment to preview how it looks on screen and tweak the settings until it matches your intended style. When you're happy with the result, save your work as a new document by going to File and selecting Save As. This keeps your original PDF untouched and gives you a separate version with the border in place. If you need to revisit the border later, you can reopen this saved file and adjust the rectangle just like any other comment. That's it. Your PDF now has a clean, customizable border using Adobe Acrobat.